I'm going to say something that might make a lot of people uncomfortable. In many relationships, apologizing is the hardest thing to do. And it's not just about ego. It's not just about perseverance. It's a matter of deep psychological patterns. A lot of men say, "She says sorry," but not when it's really wrong. And a lot of women say, "I tried to make things right, but he just wanted an apology, not a solution." So what's the truth? The daily sorry versus the real apology. We've all seen it. Many people walk in the crowd and say, "Sorry." On a slight collision with someone. "Sorry," he said. "Oh, sorry." But it's not really a responsibility. It's a social norm. True forgiveness is different. This includes 3 things. Yes, I made a mistake. Understanding the effect. It hurt you. Commitment to change. I will not repeat it. That's the most difficult part. A different definition of the problem. Often in relationships, both people are looking at different problems. One person thinks, "You did the wrong thing." The other one thinks, "You're hurt." That's the real problem. The solution for the first person equals apologies plus changes. The solution for the other person equals emotional peace. This is where the conflict begins. If a person tries to lighten the atmosphere by cooking, sitting near, hugging, so he may think that he is solving the problem. But the front can think, "You are evading responsibility." Both are right in their own frame, but they're doing different things. Why is it so hard to forgive? An apology is not just words. This is vulnerability. It is believed that I could be wrong. And for a lot of people, it's very uncomfortable. Why? Because they're afraid of, now he will consider me weak. Now he will use it against me in the future. Now it's all my fault. If one has had the experience of being reminded of his mistakes over and over again, so he gradually starts avoiding forgiveness. Some people want to avoid conflict. Some people want a solution. Some people want to be respected. Forgiveness is associated with respect. When one accepts in clear terms, "Yes, I was wrong." So the front gets this message. Your feelings are important to me. But if only the behavior changes in its place, so it can be improved. There is simply no confirmation of respect. How to earn respect? The strange thing is, a lot of times people think an apology will weaken their position. But it's often the other way around. Responsible person. It looks more mature. It looks self-aware. And it seems reliable. Because he chose the truth. Not important. Balanced approach. The truth is, an apology is simply not enough. It's not enough to just eat or drink. There are 2 things needed in a relationship: emotional repair and practical responsibility. If they're both together, so the relationship is strong. If one is missing, so the discontent is growing. It's only the beginning. In the next section, we will understand in depth why some people get defensive before admitting mistakes, how past experience affects the ability to forgive, and what is the right framework of healthy forgiveness.